Hello everybody, welcome to another video. We start this one off in Cheam. Now we're looking at the cyclist over there in front of this bus. As soon as this bus turns we can see everything a little bit better. And in front there is a professional driver that is actually being professional. It's driving at the 20-mile-an-hour speed limit, holding everybody up. Yep, including the cyclist, who can ride faster than 20 miles an hour. God knows why this road is 20 miles an hour. There is a school further up, which I guess that's why it is. But why not have it 30 miles an hour when the school isn't on? i.e. like today. So the bike overtakes the professional driver because it can go faster than 20 miles an hour. And as we know, none of the other road rules apply to them. They can speed, they can go through red lights, they can go through no entries, they can do the lot, ride on pavements, everything. They can do whatever. We all know that. And get away with it. Unfortunately, this professional driver that was doing a really good professional job lets himself down. We're coming up to a bridge, so we cannot see what's coming the other way because it's a bridge. We're going up a hill basically. And he has seen the magical 30-mile-an-hour speed limit there. We'll get to that in a minute. And he's just put his foot down. It doesn't matter that he can't see in front what's coming over the other side of that bridge. He's just put his foot down. But look, we got two 30-mile-an-hour speed limits. And on the floor, it's still 20 miles an hour. So the British workforce have been out again and not done their job properly. Good job, guys. So as you can see, he's drove over the bridge on the wrong side of the road to get past this bike. Anything could have been coming the other way. But he is a professional driver, remember. He knows exactly what he's doing. And this guy here gets confused at the 20-mile-an-hour speed limit as well. It was a good overtake, but definitely going over the 20. Now in this clip, we have a petrol head moment for you. Quite a few of them. All the minis. All coming up towards us. I don't know if it is the London to Brighton again. I don't know if it's that time of year already where they do that. But obviously that always reminds me of one film, this does. And a lot of people say that I sound like him. Probably because we're Londoners, I guess. So do you know what film I'm talking about? And do you know the famous saying that's in it? Yes, it's the Italian Job. You know it. And this.
You're only supposed to blow the bloody doors off.
I can't hear it or see it in my own voice, but there you go. That's what people think that I sound like. They also say that I sound like Victor Meldrew, which, yeah, that's probably a little bit closer. Anyway, we come to another lot of enthusiastic people coming towards us in a second. And that also reminds me of a film and a famous part in the film again. Bear with me, they're coming, and so is the film and the saying.
Where's your tool? What fucking tool? This fucking tool!
Yep, a lot of tools coming towards us. Now in this clip, we're back on the professional driver again. I'm giving Audis a bit of time off today. As you can see, we've got parked cars on one side, which means I have priority. You fucking idiot. I'll wait for you then, shall I? It's the fact that he stops in the middle here, confused as fuck. Good thinking, mate. Good thinking. They really haven't got a brain cell between them, have they? Any of them.
It's the final brain cell.
So as you can see in this clip, I'm coming up to a red light. Now, if you look over to the right-hand side, it's a red man. And we should all know what that means. It means just wait, doesn't it? This woman to our left-hand side, doing everything correctly. She's waiting there. She's pressed the button. And that button now actually has lit up a light in that yellow box there saying wait. That's all it says is wait. So she's doing the correct thing. So why the hell didn't she just keep doing the correct thing? Why she walked across now? Why? I'm guessing she must be from Epsom. Now in this clip we're looking at another pedestrian. That's, well, yet again, it's There's a crossing right there. Right there. This one right in front of me with bollards in the middle so you can go halfway. But no, look where she's crossing. Obviously not as bright as the clothes she's wearing, is she? Now in this next clip, it's cyclists again. They can do what they want when they want. Don't forget that. Look at this lot, all on the pavement, all riding on the pavement. See the bike lanes, both sides, but they're on the pavement. Look at this poor pedestrian. She actually gets a bit scared from them. Backed up right against the wall for them. Now we have another pedestrian that's got a phone stuck to his head. It's a road, mate. Oh, I forgot. Pedestrians are king of the road. Who would have thought that pedestrians would be king of the roads? Now, one of the things that I keep getting asked is, have I ever been a driving instructor, or would I like to be a driving instructor? The answer is no and no. And I should be a driving instructor. I can't see that happening anytime soon. I've got a little bit of a short temper, just a little one. My language isn't great, and I don't speak the proper England, do I, mate? You know what I mean? So I don't think I'm cut out for that job. But we can play a game. We can play a game with this. We've got a driving instructor in front of us, and I'm hoping that it's the learner that's driving this. And I hope that there was some sort of conversation in the car, but this is the sort of conversation that I would be having in the car with a learner if I was the instructor. Okay, so this would be me being a driving instructor for the day. Now, it was a young girl that was driving this car, so we're going to call her Sharon. Okay, I need a name because I would be using a name in real life. So she's Sharon. Okay, so let's start off the driving lesson. So, okay, Sharon, we're coming to a roundabout. I need you to slow down a little bit. We're going straight across. Okay, so slow down a little bit more. Now, no, go around that, around. You've just gone over the top of the roundabout. I know I did as well, but so what? So, we've got a bike lane to our left-hand side. We need to stay out of the bike lane. No, stay out of the bike lane. Sharon, are you listening to me? Sharon, move over to the right. You're in the fucking bike lane. Move over. Move over. Okay, we've got traffic lights. There's a bump on there. Slow down. Slow down. Oh, for fuck's sake, Sharon, we've taken off. Goodness me, are you listening to me? Sharon, get out of the fucking bike lane. For crying out loud. Sharon, move over to the left now. You've gone too far over to the right. Sharon, why are you indicating left? The road only goes left. You do not have to indicate left. When we get round the corner here, Sharon, can you pull over to the left-hand side, get out of the car and get a fucking bus home? That was awful. So you can book your driving lessons in the comments down below if you would like to. Competitive rates, but I do not supply thick skin or earplugs. So moving on, we've gone from an amateur driving, someone that hasn't passed their test, to a professional driver driving that great big bus in front of us. Now that is a no entry. Not for you guys though, no? There's no exceptions. It's on the thing. It doesn't say buses are allowed. So moving on, we're looking at this van, who isn't a professional driver and he isn't a learner. He's just a twat. He's turning right up here, and I'll show you it from the front camera in a second, but we needed to see it from the rear first. And as you can see, he's just driving on the wrong side of the road, and he continues to drive on the wrong side of the road. He's supposed to go up there and turn right there. You don't have to be a driving instructor or a professional driver to know that. Your lane, mate. I don't know if the camera's going to pick that up because of the angle he took. Show me it tells me Mr. BMW is not turning right up here at this roundabout. He's going straight on. So it means he needs to cut across. There you go. How did I know that? There he is. How did I know that? It's a fucking German car with a personalised stupid number plate on. And on that note, that's it for today, guys. Thanks a lot for watching. I'll catch you on the next one. Bye for now.